Welcome to this session on developing domain-specific Retrieval-Augmented Generation (RAG) applications. In today's module, we'll walk through building a RAG-based solution tailored to a specific domain, such as healthcare, finance, or legal services. Our focus will be on creating chatbots and document summarization tools that leverage specialized datasets for improved accuracy and relevance. By the end of this session, you'll understand how to design, train, and deploy a domain-specific RAG application. Let's get started. Why domain-specific RAG matters? Generic RAG models provide a solid foundation, but they often lack the depth required for niche areas. Domain-specific RAG pipelines offer enhanced relevance, models that better understand the language and nuances of the field, higher accuracy, reduced hallucination by grounding results in specialized datasets, real-world utility, addressing domain-specific challenges with targeted knowledge. Step 1. Defining the use case and scope. First, identify the target domain and specific application. Let's consider two examples. Healthcare, a chatbot that answers questions based on medical literature. Finance, a document summarizer that distills key insights from annual reports. Clearly define the goals, such as summarizing contracts, extracting insights from clinical trials, or providing regulatory updates. Step 2. Collecting domain-specific data. Gather a rich corpus of domain-specific documents. Examples include healthcare, research papers, medical records, PubMed datasets; finance, financial reports, SEC filings, economic reviews; legal, case law, contracts, government regulations. Step 3. Fine-tuning the retrieval model. Train the retriever to prioritize domain-relevant content. Use specialized embeddings like BioBERT or FinBERT. Fine-tuning embeddings ensures the retriever pulls the most contextually accurate documents. Step 4. Customizing the generative model. Fine-tune the generative model to reflect domain language. Step 5. Building the RAG pipeline. Integrate the retriever and generator into a full RAG pipeline. Step 6. Testing, validating, and presenting the application. Accuracy testing. Compare outputs against expert-reviewed summaries. User feedback. Incorporate domain experts to validate responses. Error analysis. Track hallucinations or incomplete answers. Live demos are a great way to showcase the application to stakeholders, demonstrating its ability to retrieve and generate domain-specific content in real time. Consider a legal chatbot that answers complex legal questions by querying databases of case law. Fine-tuning the retriever on legal texts and the generator on contract summaries ensures the chatbot provides legally accurate and actionable insights. Developing a domain-specific RAG application enhances the accuracy and relevance of AI-driven tools in specialized fields. By curating datasets, fine-tuning models, and building targeted pipelines, you create solutions that drive real-world impact. Thank you for joining this session. In the next module, we'll focus on deploying and scaling RAG models across distributed environments. See you there.